In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set work and personal profiles in Microsoft Edge. This is a great way to keep your work and personal browsing activities separate, ensuring that you maintain a clear distinction between your professional and personal online worlds. Let's dive straight into the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and easy for you to follow along. To get started, you'll first need to open Microsoft Edge. If you're unfamiliar, Microsoft Edge is the web browser developed by Microsoft and is available on both Windows and macOS platforms. Simply locate the Edge icon and click on it to launch the browser. Once you have Edge open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. There you'll find a button with 3 dots, commonly known as the Settings and More button. Click on this icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you will need to select the option that says Settings. This will open up a new tab dedicated to all of your potential configurations within Microsoft Edge. Now that you're in the Settings panel, look to the left-hand side and click on the option labeled Profiles. This section is where you manage your browsing profiles, and it's where the magic really happens when setting up different accounts for your work and personal use. In this menu, you'll see the option to add profile, typically situated in the top right corner. Simply click on it to begin the creation of a new profile. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in, and here is where you need to decide between syncing data with a Microsoft account for either work or personal, thanks to the option Sign in to sync data. Setting up these profiles will allow you to take full advantage of Microsoft Edge's profile feature, which keenly separates your browsing data. If you're setting up a work profile, you'll want to sign in using your work or school Microsoft account. This ensures that all work-related activities, such as browsing history, bookmarks, and login credentials, are stored in that single profile. This is particularly useful for keeping your working habits organized and undisturbed by personal browsing. Similarly, for a personal profile, you should sign in with your personal Microsoft account, whether it's your Outlook or Hotmail. This keeps your personal browsing spaces separate and private, maintaining a streamlined experience as you switch between profiles for different activities. After setting up your work and personal profiles, each profile will distinctly have separate bookmarks, browsing history, extensions, cookies, and login details. This isolation not only aids in enforcing your work-life balance, but also enhances your online security by ensuring sensitive data does not intermingle between profiles. So that's it. With these clear steps, you've now successfully set up distinct work and personal profiles in Microsoft Edge. This will help you seamlessly toggle between your work and personal life online, helping you stay organized and efficient.